Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to use Ghost Bond glue on a closure. First, ensure your skin and the lace closure are perfectly clean and free of oils. It is always wise to perform a patch test on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin at least 24 hours beforehand to check for any sensitivities. Gather all your necessary tools, including a skin protectant, the Ghost Bond adhesive, and a small applicator brush. Next, apply a very thin, even layer of skin protectant along your hairline where the closure will sit. This crucial step creates a protective barrier between your skin and the adhesive, helping to prevent irritation and making removal easier later. Allow the skin protectant to dry completely until it becomes clear and no longer feels wet to the touch. This usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Now it is time for the Ghost Bond glue. Apply a very thin, even layer of the adhesive directly onto your skin over the dried skin protectant. Wait patiently for this first layer to turn completely clear and become tacky, which typically takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Repeat this process, applying 2 to 4 additional thin layers, ensuring each layer dries clear and tacky before applying the next one. Patience here is key for a strong hold. Once your final layer of Ghost Bond glue is clear and tacky, carefully position your lace closure onto the adhesive. Gently press the lace firmly into the glue using the back of a comb or your fingertips, ensuring good contact across the entire hairline. Avoid pulling or stretching the lace. For the strongest and most durable hold, allow the adhesive to cure completely for at least 24 hours before getting it wet or styling vigorously.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.